Many people worship God. There is power in worshiping. Worship brings about deliverance and healing,
liberation, and open heaven,
peace of mind, and it brings about the presence of God.
We are not experiencing this in today's worship. Why? Because we lack the understanding of what true worship is. What is worship?
Worship is more than just singing, dancing, and just playing drums. Worship is about the true state of your heart towards God.
Worship is to reverence the holiness of God. And as a worshiper, you must be holy yourself to worship the true God.
Worship is about the expression of your love for God, your submission to Him, and the expression of His greatness toward your life.
We must worship God in spirit and in truth.
Is to see and appreciate the beauty of God in creation.
To worship God in truth without the spirit is a lifeless worship. And a worship which is not in the spirit is a false worship. Worship is our lifestyle beyond the four walls of the church. It is how we talk, how we live. Worship is our relationship with others in respect to God. I want to use this medium to remind you of our choir worship program.
Theme: Restoration, which comes up on 10th, 11th, and 12th October 2018.
The venue is the New Salvation Church of Christ, opposite LACO House in Oda Road, Akure.
On Wednesday, which is on the 10th, is a praise explosion on Mount Zion.
Thursday, October 11th, there is going to be a life-changing seminar starting from 4 p.m. in the evening.
On 12th of October 2018, there will be a power night program where we worship God all night.
Your presence will be highly appreciated.
Don't miss it.